So magandang araw kabala sa video nito, pag-uusapan natin kabola, rain or shine naman kabola. Kasi po, they're currently facing a lot of issues due to injury kabola. And then of course, we will talk a lot of things happening around the league, including Magnolia Chat. So hindi makasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Pag-usapan po natin ito kabola. Ano po? So, undefeated nga po yung Magnolia Chats. And in their most recent games kabola, ang nag-lead sa kanila is ito kanilang dalawang young stud, Lucero at saka ito pong si Lastimosa, sa kabin itong si Coach Chito Victorero. Our youth and the combination of the veterans and the youth making factors sa amin. I told you naman before na these guys will be a big factor for us, this conference, to support our veterans. So, kailan yung sinabi? Parang wala akong maalala kabola, no? So, actually, yun, di ba, yun yung biggest criticism dito kay Coach Chito kabola. Hindi siya masyado in terms of developing itong mga younger pieces niya. Parang nag-iiba na siya ng sinasabi. Pero again, one guy na masyadong hindi natin nakikita kabola yung development is Laput kabola. Pero overall, of course, we are a big fan, especially of Lucero. We think mataas-taas din po talaga kabola yung potential niya. And then, of course, Lastimosa is showing us na kaya niya dang gawin yung ginagawa niya rin kabola dun po sa UAAP. Yan basically yung makikita natin dito. Now, will this two be the future of Magnolia? The answer is yes. Pero kung sapat na ba sila? Yan yung tanong. Of course, the answer is a clear no kabola. They need more kabola. No? Si Lucero kabola is easily one of the most versatile young player right now kabola. Parang din to Malonzo kumbaga. Pero nandun pa siya sa light version kabola. Pero again, yung future niya, it's also very high kabola. Yung potential, it's also very high kabola. And Lastimosa naman, kita naman yung laruan niya kabola, pang starting point guard talaga. So, Magnolia just need to find more of those young pieces na may sasama dito sa dalawa. Now, naalala niyo pa ba si Coach Alex Compton kabola is currently now authoring books kabola. And of course, we are happy to hear kabola these updates from him. Pero miss ko na talaga siya, no? I'm a big fan of his style kabola. Very unique, very creative style of coaching. Sana magbalik pa po siya dito po sa PBA. Now sa U-Up naman tayo kabola. You tripping! Nagsi-alisan yung mga players po sa Lasal, si Rubico at saka si Konov kabola. Which is, of course, hindi naman surprising kabola kasi ang dami nilang big names kabola na napapirma. Actually, na-announce last year. So, hindi nakakapagtaka that some of their guys naman kabola, lilipat or aalis, diba kabola? Kasi nga po, 40 minutes lang naman po per game ang meron at sa 5 players po yung kabola. So, I mean, kung sobrang dami nyo na magagaling na player, ano i-expect mo kabola na mapupunta sa yung minuto? Yan po yung mga questions kabola. Now, dito po sa Rain or Shine kabola, their biggest issue now is their injuries, especially with their big men. And we have here Bo Belga and Kit Dato currently sidelined due to different reasons kabola. With them being sidelined kabola, of course, mahirap yan, di ba? Mahirap yan kabola. They badly need to think maybe they should consider trading for another big man na healthy ngayon kabola. So, I suggest these 3 players. Number 3 ko, James Laput kabola. Nakaka-surprise sa akin kabola na pinag-usapan lang kanina natin yung mga young players kaya sabi ko nga na si Laput kabola is hindi masyado nabibigyan po ng consistent po na minutes kabola. And Laput kabola is currently averaging just 11 minutes. Maybe kabola with the right offer kabola pwede siyang pakawalan Magnolia. I am a big believer of Laput kabola. Yung kanya pong footwork speed kasi kabola, it's very good. It's above average and finding this type of big man kabola is medyo mahirap. Number 2 ko, Moala Tautua. Kung gusto naman nilang veterano, Moala Tautua. Kasi we have heard some rumblings in the past kabola na baka available siya. So Tautua fits the mold of a big man na pang Coach Yengyao. Number 1 natin is J. Ambohot. Ambohot kabola, ito yung realistic na target kasi parang very obvious naman sa trade block siya. Ito pong conversion, just waiting for the right package. Maybe it's Belga, di ba? Maybe Belga for Ambohot and some kabola will be enough. And now, meron na pong healthy big man ang Rain or Shine, a young big man that's also modern, that fits the style of Coach Yengyao. Kapag sa game, okay ba itong mga targets ito? Comment na po. So, ba?